Hi, this is Richard from Regenerative. In this video I'm going to discuss our Ecological farm design course, where you have the opportunity of working with our tutors, our online learning platform and a supportive group of other learners to create your environmental farm plan, learn about regenerative design and apply that to creating a new regenerative farming system. Our mission is to help people understand and apply regenerative design. This is where we try to replicate the functional diversity of natural systems within agriculturally productive systems. To do that, we look at what elements suit the particular context of the site, have good market opportunities, and can be beneficially integrated together to create healthy and resilient outcomes. Within the course, we look at what is the philosophy of regenerative design and how that can be applied to creating these healthy and resilient farming systems. We do a thorough site analysis and we use that information to create an environmental farm plan. We then look at what are different types of regenerative systems that might suit your context and using that to develop our own regenerative farming system. We then walk you through how to create an implementation strategy and how to set up procedures for monitoring the environmental health of the farm. All learning materials are presented online, and within that course you'll be engaging within forums to interact with the rest of the learning community who will be walking through the same process as you are, and you can use that collaborative learning opportunity to extend your own knowledge and to benefit from their own backgrounds and experiences and apply that to your own context to make your own outcomes even better. Thank you for your interest in the course, and I look forward to working with you to achieve your regenerative farming goals.